Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl and adding 1 tablespoon of milk or cream. Whisk to break whites and build tiny air bubbles for fluff. Once the eggs look slightly frothy, season with 1/4 teaspoons salt and a pinch of pepper so flavor distributes evenly. Heat a non-stick skillet on medium-low and melt 1 tablespoon butter until it foams. That lower heat prevents rubbery eggs and gives you control as you pour. You pour the whisked eggs into the foaming butter and wait 8 to 12 seconds until the edges just start to set. This gives you defined curds without overcooking. Then gently pull the set edges toward the center with a silicone spatula, tilting the pan so uncooked egg spreads. Repeat in slow cycles to form soft curds. Once curds are forming but still glossy, sprinkle 1/4 cup shredded cheese over the top, folding it in so it melts into creamy pockets. You finish by removing the pan from heat when the eggs are just slightly underdone. Residual heat will bring them to perfect texture without drying. Fold the eggs gently 2 to 3 times to combine cheese and curds, then transfer to a warm plate immediately so they don't continue cooking in the pan. If your eggs turn out dry or rubbery, make sure add 1 teaspoon of butter or a small splash of milk to the pan and rewarm very gently while stirring to restore creaminess.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.